Hello, I'm Alex from Sembly AI, and today I'll show you how to push tasks, meeting notes or transcriptions from Sembly to Teamwork CRM. First of all, you'll need to create your Teamwork account. After that, we go to Sembly, click to My Automations, browse all apps and find Teamwork here. Click to Teamwork and we need to connect Teamwork with Sembly account. Click to connect. And connect our account to Sembly. Now our account connected and we can create automation. So click to this green button, new automation. We can rename our first automation to meeting notes. And in this first window, we'll choose which type of data we want to push. In our case, will be meeting notes. Click done. In filter, I will apply first filter, so it's applied to all meetings that I have access to. Click done and complete. I'll create one more automation. It will be tasks. In data type, actually I'll choose the tasks. In the filter, I'll use the same filter and click complete. Now we have two automations. After you set up your automations, all your tasks, meeting notes or transcription that were detected in the meeting will be automatically sent to the Sembly and to Teamwork CRM. But you can also do it manually, and now I'll show you how to do this. We go to My Meetings, we choose this meeting for example, and for meeting notes we need to click on Flash and use this automation. Now we go to Teamwork, click to Projects. We have my Sembly project, and in More Notebooks we have our meeting notes from our call, and also we have link to our meeting. To push tasks, we need go to Tasks, and we have first task that assigned to me. I click to Flash and use this automation. We go to project again, click to My Sembly project, and here we have our task with description.